That sweet smile. That sweet smile, see? Yeah. Yeah.
Lizard, you want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah, she's saying hi to the camera.
No, the lizard over here.
Oh, the lizard. Huh? Huh? Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Look what I got you.
Tickle, tickle.
It might be big though.
Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Huh? Tickle, tickle. Yeah. Yeah. Wanna play with it? But don't throw it, okay?
What, Alyssa? The little
She wants
lizard is
to
going
get
to
it.
bite her.
Okay, where's the lizard? Look at the lizard. Bella, look at the lizard. Oh, she might be scared, okay?
No, she
Look.
won't. See?
She knows it's plastic.
Yeah. I don't know. She's just not afraid. She's like Despero.
Now, where's Grandma when it's time to eat? There. Okay, I'll switch this thing.